Hey guys, it's Rollin with Rollin's Amazing Photography, and welcome to episode 1 of Tips and Tricks for anyone who owns a camera. I hope that you guys are having a great Thursday. Wait, it's Monday. I'm recording this in advance. Oh no. Today we're going to be discussing the top free mobile editing apps for photography. Yeah, mobile, free. That means on your phone, edit your pictures for free. That's exactly what that means. Before we get into this video, I would appreciate it so much if you guys would go down below and hit the subscribe button. And while you're at it, make sure you hit the notification bell because I know you want to see more of me. Next week, you can tune in for episode 2 of Tips and Tricks for anyone who owns a camera. And I'm going to talk about aperture and how it can make your pictures look 100 times better. Now, once again, I am Rollin, and let's get straight into the video. Let's start this list off with number 5, Adobe Photoshop Express. Photoshop is an image editing software developed and manufactured by Adobe Systems Inc. Photoshop is considered one of the leaders in photo editing software. This software allows users to manipulate, crop, resize, and correct color on digital photos. The software is particularly popular among professional photographers and graphic designers. One downside to Adobe Photoshop Express is that it does leave a watermark on your images in the bottom right hand corner. However, you can leave yourself room to crop this out. Photo Editor by Axiom Systems. Photo Editor is an amazing all-in-one photo editor. With Photo Editor, you can enhance your photos, apply effects, add stickers, create collages, paint and draw, remove blemishes, whiten smiles, and so much more. When you're done editing your picture, you can click Done in the top right corner, and it automatically saves it to your camera roll so you can share it to any platform you want. Number 3, Pixlr. Pixlr, formerly Pixlr Express, is the right photo editor for everyone. Whether you have never edited a photo in your life or you're a professional, Pixlr has all the tools and effects you need. When you're done editing a photo, you can click Done in the top right corner, and it gives you the option to save the image, send it to Instagram, send it to Facebook, resize the image, or send it to Twitter. Number 2, Snapseed. Snapseed is a complete and professional photo editor developed by Google. With 29 tools and filters, the possibilities are endless of all the editing that you can do in here. Something this app can do that none of the other apps on this list can do is it is compatible with not only JPEG, but RAW files too. When you're done editing a picture in the app, you can click Export in the bottom right hand corner, where it will give you the option to share, open in another app, save the photo as a copy, or export the photo to somewhere else. It's the time we've all been waiting for, the number 1 free mobile editing app. But before I tell you the number 1 free editing app, now feels like a good time to remind you guys to go down below and like the video. I appreciate the support that you've been giving the channel, and I can't thank you guys enough. Okay, the number 1 mobile editing app is Adobe Lightroom. Adobe Photoshop Lightroom is a free, powerful, yet intuitive photo editing. Lightroom empowers you to create beautiful photos while helping you become a better photographer. To save an image in Lightroom, when you're done editing a picture, you can hit the check mark in the top right corner. It will take you back to the home screen where all of the pictures you have edited are. Click on that picture again, and click the box with an arrow pointing up. From there, you can click Share, Save to Camera Roll, Save to Files, Open in, Edit in, or Export Original. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Remember that if you liked what you saw, you can go down below and hit subscribe and press the notification bell to see more of me and my videos. Remember to tune back in next week for episode 2 of Tips and Tricks for anyone who owns a camera to see tips and tricks of how aperture can make your photos look 100 times better. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you found it helpful, and have an amazing day.